So you don't think that you need a scan tool to do a brake job? Well, I've got 3 reasons why you need a scan tool. Next.
This video is sponsored by Autel, manufacturers and suppliers of professional diagnostic tools, equipment, and accessories. Visit autel.com to learn more.
Replacing a brake caliper, brake pad, or brake rotor on today's modern vehicles might require a scan tool. So you're going to need one in your bays to perform the second most often performed service at your shop. Here are 3 reasons why you need a scan tool. The first reason, well, it's to reset reminders on brake pad life. Many vehicles now have a reminder that tracks the brake pad wear. So instead of the customer wearing down their brake pads till they grind on the rotor, they're able to give notifications to the owner when the brakes are going to wear out so they can set an appointment with their service provider. You need a scan tool to reset this reminder on most vehicles. The second reason you need a scan tool is the electric parking brake. These can be found on more and more vehicles, and the easiest way to retract the pads and set it in service mode is with a scan tool. The third and probably most important reason you need a scan tool for brake work is ABS. This is an ABS HCU. It can be bled with a scan tool very quickly. If you don't have a scan tool, you cannot bleed this component. When you bleed the ABS HCU, you're taking the fluid and air out of the system so the brakes will function properly. But what if you can't? Chances are a lot of the air will be trapped in the ABS system. So the first time a driver does their first ABS stop, well, that air is going to be put into the system and they're going to have trouble braking. So there are your 3 reasons: brake maintenance reminders, the electric parking brake, and bleeding the ABS system. If you don't have a scan tool, you cannot complete these tasks efficiently and profitably for your shop. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.